Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to overlay transparent image in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to overlay transparent image in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Pictures option. Then choose picture from our file and insert it. Then go to the picture format menu and click format shape. Then go to picture section and increase the transparency. Then click OK. Then copy the image and paste inside. Then press shift on our keyboard and select the multiple picture. Then go to the picture format menu, click group. Now we can see we overlay transparent image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.